Take a stand and slide down slow into these arms of mine. You can jump on a speedboat, cross the border in a blaze of hope. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. There are hills and mountains between us, always something to get over. And if I had my way, surely you would be closer. I need you closer.
So glad you did that song, because that was I've been waiting for someone with your voice, with your tone, with your resonance. And Bruce, can you bring up number one? Bring up number one. I've been waiting for your voice, with your tone, your resonance, your deep, just to do Alida Adams, because you nailed her sound, but you added your own little vocal inflections, which was really beautiful on top of it. And of course, you added that Arsenal touch where you were singing to somebody, getting your point across. So I absolutely loved it. I thought it was phenomenal. Such a perfect choice for you.
Little slow to start, but boy, once you get going and you get a chance to use that God-given voice, it just wipes out everything. Great job. Another great job.